Hey, how y'all doing? We're gonna open a box of magic. Alright, Commander Legends release date. Let's see what's in this set. Alright, this set is got a lot less packs in it, I'll say that much. This is the tiniest box I've ever seen in my life. Anyways, we got 18 packs per box. That's crazy. Wonder how many rares we'll get. Alright. Only thing I'm really looking forward to out of this set is basically lightning bolts. So, the lightning bolts, I see the foiled etches are back. I'm looking forward to lightning bolts. That's what I want. We got a bathroom brawl and a Gale Wonder Deep. And we got Karlach, Fury of Avernus, and Ancient Bronze Dragon. Wow, we hit 2 mythics. That's pretty sweet. Not gonna lie about that. You know, it's funny, everybody's like loving the foiled etches in this set, but they're the same foiled etches from Strixhaven. So, just goes to show you that, like, when something new comes out, it may take you a while to love it. You don't always have to, you know, be negative about it. Oh, that's beautiful. That is very pretty. I've always liked the foiled etches. Oh, we got 3 in this pack. I've always loved the foiled etches in since they came out in, I think the first time I saw was in Modern Horizons 2. In the plains. The land set had the foiled etches. So, yes! That's cool! Lightning bolt. We need 4 of those, buddy. I need 4 of those. I'm trying to replace my lightning bolts in my modern deck. So we got Descent into Avernus, Tomb of the Horde Adventures. All these cards are going straight up on eBay. So if you're looking to get them, check them out. We got Gorion, the Wise Mentor. Man, I'm telling you, I love these foiled etches. God, I might collect them. Popular Entertainer, Bane, Lord of Darkness. And we have a Chandra R from M11. Let's go. Sorry for the crooked camera, but what can I say? My setups have never been the best. So don't expect them to change now. Mr. Soul. She looks cool. Sevlar, the Extolled Exile. This is another foiled etched. I'm telling you, I love these foiled etched cards. They're so pretty. They don't look like they're gonna curl either. So, is it a foiled etched sprinkle? So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 rares. I want to say we're doing pretty good. So, what is that? Everybody wants 36 rares at least from a box. So to me, it feels like, ooh, we got another damn, we hit 2 signature cards in one box? What? That's what's up. 2 signature cards in one box. And we got another foiled etch card. I'm telling you, I want to collect all these foiled etch cards. Like, they remind me of the prize cards that come with the commander decks. And Scion of Ugin in the list slot. Just one lightning bolt. Oh. And look, some more. Can I get another lightning bolt? Ball, Lord of the Murder. It'd be nice if I would get another lightning bolt. And we have Glunch, Bestower. Put my foiled etch foiled etch cards in a different set. Still no lands. Haven't come across not one land so far. Lazvac. That is just a regular common foiled etch. So every pack has a foiled etch card. So that's interesting. Micro, Lord of the Bones, Veteran Soldier, Kindred Discovery, not gonna lie, I wouldn't mind having a complete deck in foiled etch. Marty, the Emporium Master. Elder Brain. And Mighty Servant of Luckil. We got... This will be... Oh, this will be pack 12 right here. Nine Fingers Keen. Huh. She looks cool. Mince and Boone, Timeless Heroes. Cool. We got a Planeswalker. That's cool. And Serene Sunset. I love Serene Sunset. It's so good. Serene Sunset. It's the better fog. Alright, so we got 6 packs to go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 24, 25, and we are at 25 rares. 26 rares. And 1 lightning bolt. Come on. Sad what I want is the lightning bolt. And it says it's printed at common, but I refuse to believe that, so. Getting 1 common in an entire box is not uncommon at all. Commander Liard. She looks cool. That is really cool, actually. I mean, That picture is freaking awesome. Vexing puzzle box. Commander Legends. I don't know how I feel about this. Because, you know, less packs per box. But if we can get the 36 rares, I might be happy with it. Night Rich. Of course, this is also the first Commander product, I feel like, that was designed for Commander to actually play with. So, Raised by Giants. Damn, that's a cool foiled edge. Hey, check that out. We got the same rare. But this is a good opportunity to show you how the difference between the two foilings, or normal. So there's the normal card. There's the foil card. So, feels like the foil card just looks better. Looks more metallic, like you're casting runes or tablets of magic or something. So, I really like this foiled etching. Damn, that's good. So, then we got Anointed Perception from Almond Kitty Cat. So, then here goes the original foiling. And then we got, it's more like a mudded, like it's a quieter foiling. This one's super flashy. That one's like, this foil, it knows it's foil, but you can still read it. So, I prefer this foiling over the old foil. So, 4 packs to go. 4 packs to go. And I still do not have. I really thought I was going to get 4 lightning bolts out of one box. I really thought I was going to get 4 lightning bolts. I really did. Pack 3 more packs. I only got 1. I am so sad right now. Ooh, so sad. Goggles of the Night. I love that old art. It looks so cool. Hey, Command Tower. Nice. You know, for a Commander Legends product, I think that's the first one I've seen of Command Tower. So it's interesting that, like, some of these say that they're printed at common, but you clearly don't see them at common. So there goes another foil. Oh, man, she is pretty. Oh my god. But then again, I like redheads, so I'm not even gonna lie about that. Can't sit here and act like I don't. So. Ooh. 2 more packs. It'd be hilarious if I got like 3 lightning bolts out of these 2 quart packs. So, I don't even think I'm going to get 1. Fireball. That's not a lightning bolt. You know, one thing I haven't seen lightning bolt in just normal. Like, I've seen it in this showcase, but I haven't seen it in normal. So, that's a Night Witch. Wizard of Thay. And the last pack. Last pack here. Oh man, that red was fucking taint. Look at that. That was supposed to be a lightning bolt. Sad face. Ooh, Tasha, the Witch Queen. She looks cool. Whenever you cast a spell you don't own, create a 3/3 black demon creature. Draw a card. For each opponent, exile up to one target instant or sorcery card from that player's graveyard and put a page counter on it. You may cast spells among the exile cards in exile with page counters on them without paying their mana costs. And she can be your commander. That's cool. I would like to make a commander around her. That's pretty cool, actually. That I might hold on to her. We will see. She looks pretty cool. So, alright. And finally a land. Holy shit. Luxury Suite. Red black. In the last pack we got a land. Holy shit. Split the spoils. And the initiative. So let's count up all our rares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. We got 41 rares. 41 rares. Let me check my list. Stack. 42 rares. No, that's from a different thing. That's from a different. Those aren't even supposed to be over here. That's from a collection I bought. Alright, so 41 rares is what we got. We got 41 rares and quite a bit of foiled edge ones. So our planeswalkers, though. Let's see what our mythics were. So our mythics. One mythic, two mythic, three mythic, four mythic, even though it is a mythic, I'm not really going to count it because it's in the list slot. So we got 5 mythics in the list slot. So 6. So we got 5 mythics total. 5 mythics total. And 6 if you want to count the list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So, 34 rares. 5 mythics. 39. Chandra equals 40. So I still can't count because apparently I said 41 earlier. So, anyways, this has been Commander Legends. I hope y'all enjoy the set. It looks pretty cool. So, this has been Commander Legends, Baldur's Gate. Let me get that for the, probably going to use that for the thumbnail. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.